all like to wear neat and clean clothes, but have you ever thought that what chemicals are we using to wash our clothes and our dishes? Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shruti Ajmera and I welcome you to Brain Vibe. So today we are going to discuss that how detergents can be the reason for your degrading health. So let's start. So detergents are commonly available as liquids, powders and soap. So these detergents are amphiphilic in nature. That means they are both hydrophobic as well as hydrophilic. Detergents are used in each and every household, but have you tried to check the ingredients that are present on the packet? When we wash our clothes with the help of detergent, then what happens? After some time, our the color of the cloth fades out or they get worn out. So these detergents are not only damaging our clothes, but they are also damaging our health as well as the environment. The chemicals that are present in the detergents come in contact with our skin via clothes. So our skin has pores in it. So these pores absorb the chemicals and then these chemicals goes into our body and they damage our eyes or our lungs or our skin, and they can also cause defects in fetal development and even cancer. Now let's discuss that what are some harmful chemicals that are present in detergents. First is SLS, that is sodium lauryl sulfate. So this chemical can commonly found in your toothpaste or detergents, liquid cleaners, soap and shampoos. So this chemical is used to create foam, and this chemical can cause irritation in your skin and eczema and psoriasis. So it is impossible to actually avoid this chemical because many brand contains this chemical. So but you have to remember that for prolonged skin contact, the limit should not exceed more than 1%. Second is sodium hypochlorite. So this chemical is called as bleaching agent. So it is used as a bleach. It can cause damage to your eyes and it can be toxic to your lungs, and moreover it can cause neurotoxicity as well as cancer in some people. Fresh natural smell written on the packet does not mean that they are safe. Synthetic fragrance and natural fragrance can be harmful to you, especially if we talk about synthetic fragrance. So they can affect your home environment. It can trigger asthma attacks, hormone disruptions, and in some cases cancer. Other than that, there are NPE, there are phosphates, benzene and dioxin, which are carcinogenic in nature. Generally, our liver detoxify all the chemicals and drugs and toxins from our body, but it is unable to do so in the presence of these chemicals. These chemicals can cause rashes, trouble in concentrating, fatigue, and cause impact on our hormones as well. Now, after listening to this, you might be concerned about your health, but you do not need to worry. You just need to follow these simple tips to protect you and your family's health. First, avoid fabric softener and fresh smelling detergents. These detergents contain volatile organic compounds which reach to our respiratory system. Technically, if we talk about products that we are using, we don't know whether they are original or not. The product quality depends upon from country to country. So try to make good decision while buying some products. Third, read and review the ingredients that are present on the packet. So you need to avoid all the chemicals that are mentioned in this video and keep your children away from these chemicals. Pregnant women should try to avoid coming in contact with these chemicals as they can affect the development of baby also. And the last tip, that is replace your old detergent with eco-friendly and chemical-free detergent. So that's it for today. At last, I want to say that these detergents are not only affecting our health but our environment also. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Till then, stay fit and stay happy. Thank you.